Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to be reviewing the Vantrue N2S Dashcam. And be sure to stick around until the end because we will be doing a giveaway of two cameras, the N2S that I personally reviewed and also a Vantrue N2 Pro. Alright, so the Vantrue N2S is a dual dash cam. It has two cameras housed on one unit, one forward-facing camera and one rear-facing camera. Now it does have the capability of recording 4K if you only use the forward-facing camera. And for rideshare drivers, we are going to want to use the dual recording, which is the forward and the rear-facing cameras, and those record simultaneously at 1440p. The interior camera has an f1.8 aperture, a Sony sensor, 4 infrared lights, and a 165-degree wide angle. And the front recording has the f1.4 aperture, the Sony sensor, 155-degree wide angle, and a WDR function. Alright, now it also has a built-in supercapacitor. This is for driving in extreme temperatures, so if you're driving in a really warm climate and your windshield can get really hot, the dash cam has resistance up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, and if you drive in a really cold climate, it has resistance down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has the capability of 24-hour parking mode with collision detection and motion detection, but this requires the dash cam to be hardwired, which is an additional purchase. It also comes with an external GPS mount, which will record your vehicle's location, your speed, and your route. And you can look at your GPS logs and driving locations via software that Vantrue provides. And here's what comes in the box. A dual charger with a built-in USB Type-C cable, also a separate USB Type-C cable. It comes with the suction cup mount with the GPS module attached, of course the dash cam itself, a user manual, a quick guide, and a warranty card. Install is really simple. It comes with a suction mount. You attach the mount to your windshield and then rotate the GPS module 90 degrees. And then you can route the cable around your windshield and your dashboard. And the N2S is currently available on Amazon for $220. Alright, so overall this is a great dash cam. It has excellent footage. That 1440p resolution, both front and rear, is fantastic. The GPS module is a nice addition. It has those 4 infrared lights for the interior camera, which is really great for nighttime drivers. Now as far as comparing it to other cameras that we have reviewed, here are 3 of the single unit dual dash cams that we have reviewed. So there's this Vantrue N2S, there's the Vantrue N2 Pro, and there's also the Blue Sky C B2W. Both Vantrue cameras do not come with an SD card, but the Blue Sky C does come with an SD card. So the all-in cost for the Vantrue N2S is about $235 with the SD card. The Vantrue N2 Pro is $185, and the Blue Sky C is $140. The main differentiator between the N2S and the other two cameras is the N2S has dual recording at 1440p. The Vantrue N2 Pro and the Blue Sky C have dual 1080p recording. So the N2S is a higher end camera without being really expensive. You get really good quality footage, both forward and interior facing. Again, those 4 infrared lights are really nice for nighttime drivers. It just comes down to your choice. If you want really high quality footage, this could be the camera for you. If you don't really need that high quality footage, the Blue Sky C or the Vantrue N2 Pro will work just fine for you as well. And again, the Vantrue N2S is available for $220 on Amazon, and we will leave our affiliate link in the description. Now as far as the giveaway, again, we have 2 cameras to give away. We have the unit that I reviewed, the N2S, and we also have a Vantrue N2 Pro. And in order to be qualified for the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, make sure to like this video, and also leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.